Today, I want to show you how I created this piece using water-soluble colored graphite pencils. In a previous video, I shared my sketchbook studies, but now you'll see how the final piece turned out. For this work, I used Derwent Graphitint pencils and Excel blocks, and I love the result. Hi, I'm Leah, I'm a visual artist, and in the project Snippets from Europe, I'm using my own photos from my last trip as reference for painting and drawing. I'm also documenting my entire process and sharing it on my channel. The building portrayed in this piece, the Three Chimneys, is an abandoned thermal power station I saw in Barcelona while traveling through Catalonia. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the video where I shared my sketchbook studies for this piece. First, I printed the reference photo on 2 sheets of regular printer paper and taped them together. Then, using cheap tracing paper, I outlined the main lines of the Three Chimneys. The final work is a diptych and I wanted the same drawing in both works, and that is why I decided to trace it this time. Since the watercolor paper was quite thick, it would be impossible to see through without a backlight. So with the help of a light box, I transferred the drawing onto the final paper. I'm using 100 ml Harmony hot pressed in A3 size for both pieces. Before moving on to the painting, I noticed some crooked lines and decided to correct them with a ruler. It wasn't really necessary, but it was a quick fix for something that was bothering me. I chose colored graphite pencils because I wanted muted colors and the precision of working with pencils. The Graphitint by Derwent was good because it's also water-soluble, so I could use a brush just with water to have more color where I wanted. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to review this product in another video. I wanted to capture the ominous feeling of a dystopian sci-fi movie, the same impression I had when I first saw this place. In the first piece, the one I'm creating today, the sky is extremely dark, making the world around the building feel unwelcoming. In the second piece, I'll render the building itself in deep, heavy shadows, leaving the sky lighter for contrast. At this stage, I worked on both pieces simultaneously. I applied a layer of colored graphite across the entire paper using a base color suited to each area. Then, with a soft brush and water, I blended the colors to create an underpainting for the next layer. The first layer ended up a bit stained, which actually fits the atmospheric mood of the piece. From this point, I treated it like a regular pencil drawing, but kept in mind that I would reintroduce water in certain areas. I used the XL block like it was a watercolor pen, using a wet brush to lift pure graphite from the block. The open space in the middle of the chimney, resembling a window, was the darkest part of the piece. I really enjoyed working with colored graphite, especially using the pencils directly on wet paper. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the process useful for your own creative journey. In the next video, I'll show you the second piece of the diptych and how they look together.